This is not a luxury RV built for quiet campgrounds. This is a Toyota 6x6 Expedition motorhome designed to dominate both the city streets and the harshest terrain you can imagine. From the moment you see it, you understand this machine was built with purpose. It doesn't try to look extreme, it simply is. Welcome back. Today we're taking a full look at this Toyota-based 6x6 Expedition motorhome, a serious overland platform engineered for durability, power, and long-range travel without compromise. Let's begin with the exterior. At first glance, the dark matte bodywork immediately stands out. Finished in a deep graphite or gunmetal tone, the vehicle carries a stealth-like presence. It feels controlled, professional, and confident. The upright stance, aggressive proportions, and reinforced body panels make it clear this is not a standard motorhome. The 6x6 configuration is the heart of this build. With 3 axles and 6 large off-road tires, weight distribution is optimized for traction and stability. That extra axle isn't just for appearance. It dramatically improves grip on sand, mud, snow, and uneven rock surfaces. When the terrain becomes unpredictable, this platform stays planted. The front fascia is bold and upright, centered by a strong Toyota grille and reinforced bumper assembly. Integrated LED lighting runs along the roofline and front edges, delivering serious illumination when visibility drops. The headlights are sharp and functional, stacked in a modern pattern that gives the vehicle a distinctive presence at night. Ground clearance is generous, and the suspension setup clearly prioritizes articulation and durability. This is the type of chassis designed to handle deep ruts, sharp inclines, and remote environments where normal RVs simply cannot go. Now imagine this machine moving through a city at night. Rain reflecting off the pavement, LED lights cutting through the darkness. It looks like a tactical vehicle, controlled, quiet, and deliberate. Yet it transitions just as confidently into mountain passes, desert tracks, or forest roads. That balance between urban authority and off-road capability is what makes this motorhome different. Step inside, and the tone shifts, but not dramatically. The interior remains aligned with the exterior identity. Dark, composed, and purposeful. The color palette uses charcoal gray, matte black, and graphite finishes with subtle warm lighting integrated throughout. The main living area is compact but intelligently arranged. A wraparound leather lounge provides comfortable seating without overwhelming the space. In front of it sits a solid matte table, simple, functional, and centered by a small, minimal flower vase that adds a quiet touch of warmth. Adjacent to the lounge is a fully functional galley kitchen. It includes a built-in induction stove, integrated sink, and overhead microwave shelf positioned naturally within reach. Cabinetry is flush and clean, maintaining the same dark Expedition aesthetic. Warm under-cabinet lighting provides visibility without disrupting the overall mood. Toward the rear, the sleeping area features a fixed bed integrated into the vehicle structure. Surrounded by dark wall panels and built-in storage, it feels enclosed and protected, ideal for long off-grid stays. Lighting remains soft and subtle, reinforcing a calm environment after demanding travel days. The bathroom is fully equipped for Expedition living. Compact yet complete, it includes a shower system, wall-mounted toilet, and integrated sink. Durable finishes ensure longevity, and lighting remains consistent with the rest of the interior. It's built for real independence, not decoration. Now let's move forward into the cockpit. The driver's area feels like a command station rather than an RV dashboard. Toyota's modern design language carries through with a strong steering wheel, digital instrument display, and large central touchscreen managing navigation, camera feeds, and vehicle systems. The driving position is upright and commanding. Visibility is excellent. Camera systems assist with maneuvering such a capable platform through tight spaces or rugged trails. Under the hood, this 6x6 Expedition motorhome runs on a heavy-duty diesel engine engineered for torque. While specific numbers vary depending on configuration, the focus here is usable power and reliability. Expedition vehicles are built for consistency, not speed. The drivetrain ensures that power is distributed efficiently across all 6 wheels, maintaining traction when terrain conditions change rapidly. Advanced traction systems and reinforced suspension components allow this platform to remain stable under load. This Toyota 6x6 motorhome finds a middle ground. It delivers true overland strength while still offering a controlled, comfortable environment inside. Picture it crossing desert dunes at sunset. Picture it parked beside a mountain lake at dawn. Picture it navigating rain-soaked city streets at night. In each setting, it feels appropriate, confident, prepared. This is not a weekend camping vehicle. It's built for extended travel weeks, maybe months, without depending on traditional infrastructure. The kitchen allows you to cook independently. The bathroom keeps you self-sufficient. The sleeping area provides genuine rest. And the cockpit ensures you remain in control wherever the route takes you. The dark exterior finish reinforces the vehicle's expedition identity. It doesn't demand attention through brightness, it commands respect through presence. The lighting configuration ensures functionality without unnecessary flash. Everything about this motorhome feels intentional. There's no oversized decoration, no wasted space, no exaggerated luxury. Instead, you get capability, durability, and a refined interior that complements the vehicle's strength. For overlanders, explorers, and long-distance travelers, this platform represents freedom. The ability to reach destinations that most motorhomes would never attempt while maintaining a stable, livable environment. That's the real appeal here. The question becomes simple. Would you take this machine across deserts, mountains, and remote landscapes? Would you trust it to carry you beyond the map and back again? Let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most controlled and capable expedition motorhomes out there, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more builds that combine engineering, adventure, and real-world usability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.